Ever wonder why your perfectly applied makeup seems to fade or settle into fine lines by midday? The secret isn't more foundation, it's what comes before. Welcome to the Essential Pre-Foundation. Today, we're decoding the strategic application of makeup primer. Think of primer as the crucial bridge between your skincare and your cosmetics. Its job is twofold: to create a flawless, uniform canvas by blurring textures like pores and fine lines, and to dramatically enhance the wear time of your makeup. By mastering this single step, you can achieve that professional-grade, enduring finish you've been looking for. Let's get started. The first step to a perfect application begins before you even touch the primer. Your skin must be a completely clean and prepared canvas. This means ensuring your serums, moisturizer, and especially sunscreen are fully absorbed. Why is this so important? Applying primer onto wet or tacky skincare will compromise its ability to adhere and form that effective gripping barrier. So give it a moment. A good rule of thumb is to wait at least 60 seconds after your final skincare step. Next, select your tool. Primers aren't one size fits all. Choose a silicone-based formula to fill in pores, a water-based one for dry skin, or a matte finish for oil control. And remember, less is more. Dispense a controlled, pea-sized amount for your entire face to avoid a heavy, occlusive layer later on. Now for the application itself. The key word here is strategic. Primer shouldn't be slathered on like a moisturizer. We need to be intentional. For areas where you want to address texture, like enlarged pores on your T-zone or fine lines around your eyes, use a gentle patting motion with your fingertips. This technique physically presses the product into those crevices, creating that beautiful, smooth, and filled-in effect. For the rest of your face, where the goal is longevity and oil control, switch to light, sweeping motions. This creates a thin, even film that will grip your foundation. Focus these sweeping motions on areas where makeup tends to break down first, like the sides of your nose and your chin. This targeted approach is what separates a good makeup day from a great one. You've prepped, you've applied, and now you wait. This might be the most overlooked and most crucial step in the entire process. Before you even think about reaching for your foundation, allow the primer to set and integrate with your skin for about 2 minutes. During this time, the formula is hard at work. Volatile components evaporate, and special film-forming polymers stabilize, creating that perfect texture-perfecting layer. Now, here's a pro tip that might surprise you. There's a myth that primer needs to feel completely dry before you move on. This is actually inaccurate. A high-quality primer should feel slightly tacky to the touch after it sets. That slight tackiness is the magic. It's what physically grips onto your foundation, locking it in place for hours. Don't rush this step. And there you have it. 3 simple, strategic steps to transform your makeup routine. By treating primer not as an afterthought, but as an indispensable part of your cosmetic process, you are doing more than just adding another layer. You are transforming your skin's surface from a variable substrate into a perfected, standardized canvas. You're ensuring your makeup looks flawless from the moment you apply it and stays that way all day long. Remember, proper prep, targeted technique, and a patient pause. Master these and you'll unlock the full potential of both your primer and your foundation, achieving that truly professional, long-lasting finish every single time.